Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write good prompts for Google Gemini. Just because you're open at Google Gemini and entering prompts doesn't necessarily mean you understand the breadth of what Google Gemini can produce or how to add information into your prompt in order to get it to produce what you want. Google has provided a number of resources that can help you learn how to write much better prompts to get you what you want faster. The first one is this Prompting 101 guide. It's a fairly lengthy guide. It's 45 pages. But if you go down to the table of contents, you'll see it's not really geared towards education per se. You could probably use a lot of what's in here as a classroom teacher or administrator or whatever, but the document itself isn't geared towards that. They do talk about writing effective prompts. They introduce it, but you'll notice then it jumps to customer service, executives and entrepreneurs and so on, which would be specific use cases in more commercial settings. But there's still going to be some useful information in here. There's also the how to write a prompt. What this does is this sort of takes you through a mindset through which to write your prompts, different things that it's looking for. This is geared towards educators. So if you're a classroom teacher or an administrator, this might be a more basic how-to guide that sort of explains how to write a good prompt that will get you what you need. And there's also the prompt library, also geared towards educators, which is just a collection of different prompts and a sample of what it might produce if you enter it. So you can go through this, and if you see something you like, you'll have a better idea of how to prompt in order to get that result. So you can get pretty much anything you want here. However, if you're looking for something more specific and you don't want to spend a lot of time trying to get to it, the idea here is train yourself, sort of not artificial intelligence, how to write effective, good prompts for Google Gemini.